Right, this is a retake of Bob's Canaries part 3, as last time it was upside down. It was 90 degrees out. So we start here. This is first round young for the fifes. That is first round for the A-gate, first young A-gate that I've had in the canary room, or the canary shed should I say. Then we rotate round to here. Right, she is sitting on 4, due on the 22nd of this month, and separated from her is a cockbird, and in that cage you can just see there is a young'un. There's 2 young'uns in there, one in the corner there right in the back, and then there is another one tucked underneath the drinker. Right, we in this cage, then we go on to this cage here. Right, this cage here has 4 young in it. They've all been out the nest, but they've all gone back in here. Might be able to see them if I move along slightly. I might be able to just lift the back up and you might be able to just see. There they are, look. There's 3 in there and 1 at the top, at the back. You just see his tail. So that's 4 in there. Then we come down to here. In there's 3 young'uns. One's been out the nest, but they're still just that bit too young to go. And then here in this cage here, if I drop this down, there is 4. Get over a bit more for you. There is 4 young in there that have fledged of the nest box. The nest box is still on, but I'll take that away perhaps in a couple of days. So that's the young, and then here, she is sitting on 5 eggs. And that is the parents from the first 5 that you see. Now we'll move from there over to here, and we will see, here we have A-gates. So there's, in the bottom there, that's the second young from her who's sitting on 5 over there. Here we have the hen in the nest at the end there. She's got 2 young hatched today. Then we go up to here, and we come up to there, and might be able to see in the nest that she has got. I just lift that up. There is 2 little ones in there, look, wanting to be fed, and 1 more ready to left to hatch. And then right at the top we have the hen bird on the nest over there. She's sitting on 4, and the cockbird is flitting around like a madman. So that's what's happening in here. Eggs and that. There's my board that tells me what nest has got their I've got 9 cages separated off. 1 to 4 green there. 5 to 8 here. And then cage number 9 there with the 5%. Cage number 10 at the top, I'll just use it for taking the young away from parents until they're old enough to come out here. Now as we come out here, we have in this aviary I've actually got 9 first round young that are just being colour fed, and we're just starting to see a bit of colour. The yellow is just starting. They go in through here and then in here is the actual where they shut up at night. This is the flight that once they come in, this is what they've got to fly around in here. And then on here, all these drinkers on the side here are big. Now what I'm intending to do, there's a spare door, and that spare door I am intending to put from there to there and partition this off, which will then give me another flight, which will be 6 foot by 3 foot roughly, another so I can separate cocks and hens over the winter. So that's my setup, and as I say, this is a retake of part 3 of Bob's Canaries, because for the simple reason that when you view it on YouTube it's 90 degrees out. Right, that's it for now. I'll do another one in a few days.